everyone, VW Bubs here, and today we're going to be reviewing toys for autistic kids and fidget toys to relieve stress. And we're here with my brother, and as always, be sure to subscribe, and let's get into this. And then, who is my brother? Okay, let's get him out. Welcome you. Another Among Us Prophet? I have one, so we can have this. Oh, what is this? What is this thing? Whoa. Here's an unicorn. I'm keeping the unicorn. Oh, cool.
We're doing it now.
Okay, so we're opening the bag. Oh, this is an infinity cube. Cool. A fidget spinner? Ooh, that's cool.
It's
Looks
jiggly.
pretty made though.
Jiggly. I love the jiggly.
Oh my gosh, look at these.
Jiggly.
What the heck?
Jiggly. Jiggly.
Oh my gosh, it's one of the oil and water.
No, that's, I mean,
Yeah, I already have one. But look.
No.
Oh, look at
Seal.
these.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
what are these? Santa Claus.
We get to keep, and the ones that are for me and for Loki. Everything I got first. So some of this will go to our friends, by the way. But the first thing I got was this. Whoa. This is pretty satisfying, and I could see why autistic people would like it. Oh wait, but I also see why people would like this. It's really cool. Cool, and that's something my brother got. This.
Pop it.
It's supposed to be a plus cube, but I disassembled it, and you're supposed to reassemble it. I couldn't do it, and then we got. Oh, look at this guy. He has. Oh my gosh, that kind of looks creepy.
This is the most distorted one.
Oh, that's pretty cool. And then I got one of these. Wait, mine's supposed to be green. You stretch it. Write in the comments down below whose is longer of this little stretchy thing. Pause it on the frame, mine was long. This video is producing a lot of plastic, so we will recycle that neatly. We also have. It's like. Oh my gosh, it smells.
One side is
Also like a
good.
buttocks.
This?
Probably a cheaper fidget spinner.
Tristan's toy review.
Oh no. Ow, that hurts to flick. Can you not, Loki? Okay, so besides it hurting to flick, it's pretty fun. Yeah. Last thing is this infinity cube. Ow. Cube, there's a little circle ball. This one's like a little ball, see? Look at it. And then we have a slapper. We'll test this. That's everything I got. I got quite a bit. Oh, see? So, let's get into the next thing. Are you ready, kids? This will go. Have it here. Oh! Okay. Wonder how long it'll stick. Okay, we're gonna see. I'm actually gonna rethrow it. Let's see how long it will last up. Here. Oh, every video that this is still up here, I will make an update on. Thank you for watching VW Bubs. I'll see you in another episode, and peace. And don't forget to subscribe for a shout out. Bye.